that Jenna was out for a joyride that night?
Or was her plan to take Emily to Allie's grave all along?
It seemed to me like she was scared of someone. And it seemed like she was blind for 5 months when she wasn't. For purposes of my head not exploding, can we just say that she is telling the truth?
Well, that would mean that we would cross her off the new A-list.
And who's still on it? Lucas? No way. He might be a little unhinged lately, but he's not capable of digging up a grave.
Guys, all roads lead back to the Black Swan. We know that she was working with Mona. The sketches were in her lair.
Spencer, Mom wants to know if you want anything else.
No, thank you, Mom.
Alyssa looks great. Yeah, she's back to being size 2 skinny. Black Swan skinny? I mean, think about it. We know that she lied about when she lost her baby.
Well, back up.
You think that she was pretending to be pregnant for that long?
It was like once. There's no way. She wouldn't do that to my parents.
Who else could it be? Mona started talking again, so maybe she can give me some answers.
Did you really think you could avoid me forever? How could you defend Garrett?
Let's not have this conversation here.
Oh, it doesn't bother you that he murdered my sister?
Look, I understand you're upset, but this isn't the place.
Just tell me why you're doing it.
Everyone deserves a competent legal defense.
You sure that's the only reason?
Let the process play out, Jason. Focus on taking care of your family and yourself.
Don't worry. I am.
Jason, are you okay?
No, but I will be.
Imagine what I could do with 50 grand. Hey.